Let's start with a new chapter, Chapter 9, which talks about acids, on page 70. This chapter explores what acids are and some simple patterns in their chemistry in the lab. So in this chapter, we'll talk about acids and their types, which are usually found in the lab. So let's start discussing about acids and their properties. So what are acids? Let's see together. How do we know that a given solution or substance is an acid? Acids have the following characteristics that help us figure out whether we have an acid or not. First of all, acids are sour. They have a bitter taste. For example, a lemon is sour. Acids are corrosive to metals and skin. Corrosive means harmful to metals and skins, since if we put acid on a metal or on our skin will burn because of the acid. So acids are corrosive to metals and skin. Their pH is between 0 and 7. pH is the level of their acidity, which is between 0 and 7. Acids turn blue litmus paper into red. Litmus paper is a colored paper, like a light colored paper. Whenever placed in a solution, it turns red if the solution is an acid, or blue if the solution is an alkali, or purple if the solution is neutral. We will talk about this later. Acids contain hydrogen ions H+, and lastly reacts with base to form salt and water. So when an acid reacts with a base, it gives salt and water. These are mainly the characteristics of acids. Let's read them again. So acids are sour, corrosive to metals and skin. The pH is between 0 and 7, turns blue litmus paper into red, contains hydrogen ions, and reacts with base to form salt and water. You should know that the level of acidity differs. It can be very strong or it can be weak. For example, here they're saying that acids range from the extremely dangerous, needing protective clothing to clean up spills. So here this person is wearing protective clothes to protect himself from the acid, which is very dangerous. So as you can see, he's cleaning a very harmful acid. So he's wearing this special type of clothing to protect his skin. We have another type of acid. So a natural part of our diet, oranges contain citric acid. So oranges contain citric acid, but this type of acid is not harmful because it's not very strong.